Welcome to Spyder Auto's LED projector headlight installation guide for the Ford Mustang. Before we get started, you'll need a 5.5mm and 10mm socket and ratchet, a panel popper or flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Start by opening the hood. Locate and remove the 6 plastic retainers that secure the cover panel. Remove the cover panel and set it aside. Locate and remove these two 10mm bolts securing the front bumper. Before we go any further, take a moment to tape off the edges of the fender and the bumper to protect the paint finish while we're working. Locate and remove these 3 Phillips head screws on the fender liner that secures the bumper fascia. Carefully peel back the fender liner. Locate and remove these two 10mm bolts hidden under the fender liner. Locate and remove these 4 5.5mm bolts securing the bottom of the bumper fascia. Carefully pull the bumper down from the side and then push it forward to loosen it. Pull and lift on these 2 clips that are securing the bumper fascia. Ease the bumper fascia back for clearance. Disconnect the turn signal and side marker harnesses from the fascia. Be sure to disconnect the fog light harnesses if so equipped. Remove the bumper fascia and set it aside. Locate and remove this plastic retainer securing the headlight. Locate and remove these 2 10mm bolts under the headlight. Then you'll need to locate and remove this 10mm bolt that also secures the headlight. Be sure to hold onto the light and support it to keep it from falling. Carefully unseat the headlight and then disconnect the wiring harness. Set the OEM headlight aside. For information on wiring the halos and more, see the FAQs playlist on the Spyder Auto YouTube channel. Now locate your Spyder headlight and connect the wiring harness. Carefully feed the harness in, taking care not to pinch the harness between the headlight and the radiator core support. Seat the headlight and then reinstall this 10mm bolt to secure the headlight. Next, reinstall the plastic retainer. Reinstall the 2 10mm bolts to secure the headlight. Tighten the final 10mm bolt securing the headlight. Now we can start reseating our front bumper fascia. Reconnect the turn signal, side markers, and if equipped, the fog light harnesses. Reinstall the 2 10mm bolts to secure the bumper. Then replace the filler panel and reinstall the 6 plastic retainers that secure the filler panel. Reinstall the 2 10mm bolts hidden under the front bumper fascia. Then reinstall the 3 screws securing the front bumper fascia. Then just reinstall the 4 5.5mm bolts underneath to secure the bumper. Close the hood. Congratulations, you've successfully fitted your Mustang with a set of slick projector headlights from Spyder Auto.